Now we will do another letter. U. Very easy. Letter U. Without leaving your hand. Goes right up and line. Letter U. Big letter. And the smallest, little smaller than that, same type. U. Letter U. Now, the sound of letter U is You hold your umbrella like this, isn't it? Huh? You hold the umbrella and you want to open it. Okay? Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella. When it starts to rain. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella. When it starts to rain. Opening the umbrella. The difficult. You. You're finding it difficult to open the umbrella. That is the sound of U. So when you say earn is a pot. Umbrella. Utensil. Uniform. The letter U, think of opening umbrella. U, earn, unicorn, umbrella. That's the sound of letter U.